How to fix Virgin Media Hub 5X flashing blue light. First, check if the hub is still trying to connect. Leave the hub powered on for 10 to 15 minutes. If it's just booting up or updating, the blue light may stop on its own. If it keeps flashing longer than that, continue to step 2. Step 2. Check all cables. Check the power cable, check the fiber/ONT cable, ensure Ethernet cables are firmly plugged in. Reseat each cable by unplugging and reconnecting it. Step 3. Reboot the hub. Turn off the hub, unplug the power cable, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Then wait 15 minutes for reconnection. Step 4. Check if WPS was activated. A flashing blue light can indicate WPS mode. Slow flashing blue means that it's waiting for a WPS connection, and rapid flashing blue means that WPS pairing failed. If someone pressed the WPS button accidentally, wait 2 to 3 minutes. The light should return to normal automatically. In step 5, factory reset the hub. Find the reset pinhole on the back, press and hold it with a paperclip for 10 seconds, release it, then wait 10 to 15 minutes for the setup process to finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.